To uninstall apps in Windows 11, go to your Start button, right-click, and choose Settings. Under Settings on the left-hand side, you want to go to Apps. Click on that, and you'll see at the very top here, Apps and Features. So we click on that, we have an apps list, and here, for example, we have 35 apps found. If you're not exactly sure of the name or spelling of your app, you can just scroll through the list. I want to uninstall NovaBench here. Another way to find it would be to start typing in the name, and it shows up in the results. On the right-hand side, we have the three dots for the menu. We can click on that and choose Uninstall. It warns you this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Go ahead and click on Uninstall, and the uninstall will run. Often enough, you're going to have to answer this question. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? This is the uninstall. You want to say yes to let that complete, and the installation should complete. This will work for most Windows apps. Of course, at times you may run into trouble and have to do something a little deeper. But this is the general advice for removing apps or software on your Windows 11 machine.